Hello and welcome to Cloud Experts. In the previous video, we created an EC2 instance which automatically executes a startup script that we put in the user data advanced settings while creating the instance. In this video, we will use the same EC2 instance to create an AMI. Let's go to our instances. Select the instance that you want to create an AMI from, and from the Actions menu, go to this image submenu and click on Create Image. Give your AMI a name. We don't want our instance to restart, so we will check No Reboot. File system integrity on the created image cannot be guaranteed. We are fine with that, as we only have a small web server running and we're not doing a lot of writes. Then click on Create Image. Now let's click on the AMI menu from the left to check the status of our image creation. Once ready, the status will display Available. Our image is ready to be used to create an instance. Let's go ahead and launch a new instance. This time we will use our demo AMI. So let's go click on Launch Instance. Click on My AMIs on the left and select your demo AMI. Let's select a T2 micro instance. For everything else, we will keep the defaults. Click on Advanced Details. This time our user data field will be empty. Next, click on Add Storage, then on Add Tags. We'll add a new tag with the key as name and value as from AMI. Click on Configure Security Group. Let's select the same security group that we created in our demo in the previous video. Click on Review and Launch. Click on Launch. Let's use our existing key pair for this instance. Now click on View Instances. Wait for the instance to be ready. Now that our instance is ready, let's copy the public IP address and paste it in our browser. And there you go, our new instance is up and running with a web server installed and our custom web page. So in this video, we created our custom AMI and launched an instance from that custom AMI with the installed web server and our custom web page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.